Hey guys, this is Karthik, and in this video I'm going to show you what's inside the box of the new iPhone 7 Plus 128GB rose gold. Without any further ado, let's get started. And this is my first iPhone that I am going to use. Anyway, I'll be using this only for about a month or so, and I'll be giving this device to my sister. So here's the box. Here's the phone color, which is rose gold, the logo, the iPhone branding. Oh, okay. As I've told you, this is the 128GB model. And without any delay, let's open this up. Okay, the documentation is here, which says it's designed by Apple in California. And we got the device itself, as you can see. Shiny new iPhone 7 Plus, and we get the adapter, and we also get the lightning earphones. There are no 3.5mm headphone jack in these devices nowadays, and we got the cable to charge and for data transfer. Nothing else in the box. Thank you. Bye. Catch you back in another video.